Hi, I was at a playground with a friend the other day who has a toddler less than 2, and we were talking about consequences and punishment, and we realized how important it was to be clear about whether something was a consequence or a punishment. So, just to be clear, punishments are things where a child has some kind of behavior, and then something totally unrelated is imposed as a punishment or as the response. But when the child does something, has a behavior, and we can see the thing coming down the line, that the consequence matches the thing that they're doing. Like if the child's climbing and they're doing, they could get hurt or it's not safe, then we might take them off of the play structure. But the consequence makes sense given the behavior. The problem is when we start to dole out punishments that are unrelated to the behavior, because then we're creating more of a disconnect. There's a lack of understanding, a lack of continuity, a lack of meaning making out of it, other than control. And that starts to feel pretty awful in a relationship. And so I think that's what starts to create more and more space between us and our children, is when we have these unrelated punishments that we dole out. Hope that helps.